Hi Pinewood kids, here's what we're going to do in GarageBand today. And if you need to download again from self-service, go ahead and do that. Once you open GarageBand, we're going to play with something we haven't really played with at all yet. If you go into keyboard and you click on that sampler button, it's going to take you to this screen where you can create a sample. And a sample is just really like a short phrase that you can manipulate. And music uses samples all the time, especially in popular music. So you can see the highlighted button is New Sample right in the middle. This program comes with some preloaded samples, for example, bark, giggle, kids cheering. And the way you hear those samples is to just play a note on a keyboard. So if I have bark highlighted, I'm just going to go play that C3. And if I play to the right of that note, you can hear those barks get higher. What do you think will happen if I go the other way? You're right, it got lower. So those are kind of fun to play with, but I want to make my own. So I'm going to tap on that New Sample button. I'm going to hit Start, and then I can just say anything I want. Hello, Pinewood kiddos. I'll just start with that. So if I play it, I'll go back to that C3 right in the middle of my keyboard again. Hello, Pinewood kiddos. And if I want to play it a little bit higher. Hello, Pinewood kiddos. Hello, Pinewood kiddos. Do you notice it gets faster too? It kind of sounds funny. Let's see if I go a little lower.
Hello, Pinewood kiddos.
Oh, that's kind of ridiculous, but fun.
Hello, Pinewood kiddos.
So this is a really fun tool to kind of play around in. Once you have something recorded, you can see in the middle where it's highlighted, where the sound is highlighted, I can trim it. And so I can just grab one end. And if I want to just say, hello, Pinewood. Hello, Pinewood. Hello, Pinewood. And if I wanted to keep saying it over and over, I can hit this loop button. I'm going to trim it back to just that hello Pinewood part. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, actually, it cut my hello Pinewood off totally, so it just went to hello. I can probably trim it the other way too. Let's try that. Hello, Pinewood, 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 Pinewood. That's kind of fun too. If I want to go back to my original, I just hit that revert button in the top right corner, and it goes back to the whole thing. So you can kind of play around with that. One of the other cool things that you can do with those samples is hit this REV, which stands for reverse button, and it'll play it backwards. That's really fun too. So have fun playing with this. See what kind of samples you can do. If you find something that you really like, you can actually record it. So if I wanted to do, if I wanted to loop something, and let's just say I want to loop kiddos over and over. Let's see. Hello, Pinewood kiddos, 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 kiddos. And then I really like that and I want to record it. All I have to do is go back up and hit my record button, making sure my cursor is at the beginning. It'll click me off. Hello, Pinewood kiddos, kiddos. And then just like anything else, if you go into your tracks button, you can add other instruments and kind of create a cool little song. So have fun with that. See what kind of fun samples you can create and string together. And if you have something really fun you want to share, you can email it to me. And then I think I'm going to create a flip grid so that if you have something really cool that you want to share, we can all check out each other's compositions. So